If you received an email with a link that came from a Google domain, you'd probably trust it, right? Most people would, and that's exactly what a phishing campaign called GTFire is counting on. GTFire is a large-scale credential theft operation that doesn't bother building fake infrastructure from scratch. Instead, it hides inside Google's own services, specifically Firebase and Translate, to deliver phishing pages that look completely legitimate to both victims and security tools. Here's how it works. The attack starts with an email containing a link, but this isn't a suspicious-looking link to some random domain, it's a Google Translate domain. Because it comes from a Google-owned domain, it clears most email security filters without any issue. When the victim clicks it, Google Translate acts as a middleman. It processes the request and routes the victim through several redirects, including encoded domain names designed to confuse automated analysis tools, before finally landing them on the actual phishing page. That phishing page is hosted on Google Firebase using the web.app subdomain. Firebase is an actual Google developer platform, and because it's trusted by security systems worldwide, the fake login page it's serving doesn't raise any red flags. The page itself is convincing. It displays the logo and branding of whatever organization is being impersonated. The victim enters their username and password, and the page tells them that the password was wrong and to try again. They do. Both attempts are silently stolen in the background. Then the victim gets redirected to the real website of that organization, none the wiser. The stolen credentials are sent to an attacker-controlled server via simple HTTP requests, with a password encoded in base64 and packaged alongside the victim's country and browser language. The attackers organize everything neatly by date, language, and the targeted brand, which tells you this isn't some small opportunistic operation. Group IB researchers found over 120 unique phishing domains tied to this campaign, with stolen credentials from more than 1,000 organizations across 100 countries. The top targeted country was Mexico, followed by the US, Spain, India, and Argentina. Victims span more than 200 industries: manufacturing, education, government, and many more. And what makes GTFire tricky from a defensive standpoint is how little effort it requires. The attackers aren't writing custom malware, they're just using off-the-shelf PHP phishing scripts, free Firebase hosting, and built-in Google features that are designed to translate websites. The sophistication isn't in the code, it's in the choice of the infrastructure. Traditional URL-based detection struggles here because the links are genuinely from Google. So the solution isn't to distrust or block Google, it's to rethink how the trust is assigned. Being hosted on a legitimate platform doesn't make a page safe. So for organizations, the priority should be phishing-resistant multi-factor authentication, so that even if credentials are stolen, they can't be used. For security teams, correlating traffic involving Google Translate, redirects leading to a web.app destination is a strong hunting signal. GTFire is a reminder that hackers don't need to build something new. Sometimes the most effective weapon is the infrastructure everyone already trusts. And if you want to learn more, the link to the full report is in the description.